explaining how to go to the fourth dimensional purpose. See this first this is like it's like math, it's like this long, like 12 inches long, and this one is gonna be like the fifth dimensional. In the middle is the fourth dimensional. And I have a pimple here. In the in here, this one you will go around around that, and this one you got you. This one is the third dimensional. First, this is the step. How do you get it? First, you need to see this the wall like this, like you do like this, this like this, and this. Oh shit! Oh shit! Sharing machine. This one, this one, this, like that's a, in this step you need this a wall, right? You need to go like pass through this, but in this all areas like this. Like, see? Wait, oh, it done. See? It passed the dimensional wall. See this and with this. Yeah, seriously, put this up. This is the eating part, and we'll go there, and that's how you get to that. And just subscribe.